list of vulnerable areas and vulnerable points from the state government. We also have our own. These areas are naturally defended. For example, let us take the case of Vasco. We have got the port here, we have the airport here. Obviously, they are very sensitive areas. CISF is already deployed in these areas. So, such areas which are sensitive and vulnerable and important have already been given a lot of security and defense from the police. The importance is that is there sufficient protection to them for an infiltrator who is going to come from the sea route? This is what really we are checking. There are a large number of these VAs, VPs, as we call them, in the state of Goa. We have them. We have a list of them. These all are very well defended by the respective agency who is in charge of protecting them. However, there are always areas which need to be tested, and this is the aim of this exercise to find out how good we are, as well as if there are some vulnerabilities where it is needed. Surveillance is the most important thing in coastal security. We have established a coastal radar network after the 2611 incident. So, a lot of improvement has happened in the process of surveillance and knowing what all is happening across the water. This is also an area of weakness because we do not know 100%, and this is a constant area of improvement where we need to improve. And this is one of the areas that we want to bolster as part of doing these exercises and do that. For this reason, the entire fishing community is our eyes and ears, and we carry out fishing community interactions to kind of sensitize them with what is going to happen, and to be more security oriented. So if they notice something, they become our eyes and ears, and then the organization takes